Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a group of animals who were the best of friends. Among them were a clever fox named Felix, a kind-hearted rabbit named Rosie, a wise owl named Oliver, and a playful squirrel named Sammy. One sunny day, as they were playing together near the edge of the forest, they stumbled upon a shiny, golden key lying on the ground. Intrigued, they wondered what it might unlock. Felix, being the clever one, suggested, "Let's go on an adventure to find out where this key leads." Excited by the idea, the friends set off into the depths of the forest, following the key's trail. Along the way, they encountered various challenges and obstacles, but they worked together, using their unique strengths to overcome each one. After a long journey, they reached a mysterious door hidden deep within the forest. With trembling excitement, they inserted the golden key into the lock, and to their amazement, the door swung open, revealing a treasure trove of jewels and gems inside. But instead of rushing in to claim the treasure, they paused and looked at each other, realizing the true meaning of their adventure. It wasn't about the treasure itself, but about the journey they had shared and the bonds they had formed along the way. With smiles on their faces, they decided to leave the treasure untouched, knowing that their friendship was the greatest treasure of all. As they returned home, hand in hand, they vowed to always cherish their friendship and to remember that true wealth comes from the love and support of those we hold dear. And from that day on, the forest echoed with the laughter and joy of four friends who had learned the most precious lesson of all, that true happiness lies in sharing moments of kindness, adventure, and friendship with one another.